So you might be trying to go ahead and completely factory reset your iPhone. Now, what does this mean? Well, you're trying to go ahead and delete everything from your iPhone at one time, and you basically want this iPhone to be, going back to factory settings, which is like there's nothing on it. Basically, you can, still set it up and everything, but all your data, all your information is gone. So to do this, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure you have everything on your iPhone backed up. So you can go through and back up your things manually. So go to Snapchat, and a lot of the things are already kind of backed up for you. But your photos, your everything, if you've not made a backup, you need to go and make a backup before you factory reset it. So find out how to make backups. You can make an iCloud backup. You can also go ahead and make a free iCloud backup. If you go ahead and make your way over to your settings, you click on General. And if you scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone, which is right here, at the very top, it says prepare for new iPhone. You can actually click get started, and it'll allow you to move all your apps and everything to the cloud completely for free, full data from your phone. And it's a pretty decent thing. I'd probably recommend doing it and checking it out. But let's say you already made the backup. Well, to factory reset it, at the transfer reset iPhone, this little option down here, you want to go and click erase all content and settings. So what this is going to allow you to do is if you click here, it's going to allow you to basically erase all content and settings from your iPhone. So now it's going to say erase this iPhone. Now it'll go ahead and remind you if you want to go ahead and basically make a backup, and it's basically going to tell you everything that's going to be deleted. So here what you can do is you can click continue. And here it's going to tell you, do you want to make a backup? And in this case, you can click skip backup. And then it's going to tell you to type in your Apple ID password. Now, you will need to know your Apple ID password to reset it. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to go and, take an iPhone and reset it, it's not going to work. You need to have your credentials to set it up and actually go through it. So now, once you type in your password, you can go and click turn off. That's going to go ahead and turn off the activation lock. And then the iPhone is going to go ahead and restart and reset. And that is all you have to do. So it's very basic. It doesn't take too much time, but this is basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, for every single one of you guys, hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.